I'm gonna just show y'all something. Hurting the game right now, y'all. Hurting the game. My boo-boo just hooked me up. What y'all know about that?
You're a mess.
Popping. Thank you, boo-boo.
You're welcome, baby.
So, people, be down Florida. Popping. I gotta get my angles right on them things. Y'all see the zoom?
I can't even deal.
Oh, that's so hot. So hot. So hot. So hot. All right. Thank you, boo-boo.
You're welcome, baby. What you doing, baby?
Velocity, 9901. Height, show you the bad boy. There's the header. Back and looking all sweet and whatnot. So there's slip in here. Well, there's the header and the gaskets. Put the screens there, and there's the pipe itself. We'll get this out of the way. We've got a t-shirt looks like. Sweep it down.
What are we watching on the TV?
I don't know. That's YouTube playing random stuff.
Oh, of course it's about RC racing and engines.
Yeah. YouTube playing random stuff.
It smells like Mr. Clean.
That's right. Mr. Glizzy. This paperwork stuff is going
And take it inside.
Let's zoom in. Unbox this motor. Alright, you can see some of my motor from that.
like a drunk.
The Legend
Junk.
4-port. And
We can't afford a junk drawer in here, baby.
put the shrink wrap on.
And alright, people. See this generator? Man, I didn't want to get this generator. I had to get the 3500, the big boy. This one's the big brother to the little one I got. But let me tell you, people, this joint is super duper quiet, man. I'm talking super duper quiet. It come with the RV adapter right here. And I mean, people, when I tell you this thing is quiet, this thing is quiet. So I got the thing in here running, living a Villa Loca, and just cleaning up. So let me take you inside. I figured we could do a post race report inside here. Damn, mama got it smelling all good in here. Yeah, people, so just in here setting up, have me a cup of coffee. Got the buggy, we're gonna do the post race report in here. You know what I mean? So, you know, we're making it our own so far. We're making it home, sweet home, just trying to get it set up and, you know, just straight. But, about to get on the road soon. You know what I mean? Had to put like toilet paper hold up. Put, you know, stuff around. We gotta still put the towels and stuff up. So notice, I got the TV up. Yes, sir. 32 inch too. And catch up with some YouTube videos. These drawers. Share these drawers. They alright. I wish this thing came back some. That would have been nice. Could have got spoons and stuff in there, but that's alright. So we'll just rock with down there, you know what I mean? So yeah, but people, you know, we here. Got my cure rate popping. Oops, sorry. This getting used to this gimbal. Cure rate popping good. I got this heat on for now until I don't want to run the propane, you know what I mean? But yeah, we good, people. We good. Already got this thing Bluetooth up. You know how we do. Already got me linked up. Yeah, player. She coming along good though. Alright, so let me get myself together and do this post race report. People. Let me heat up my coffee real quick. Got a little cold on me. That's nice. That's nice. Yeah, that Predator generator is good to go. Right underneath there. All right, people. So listen, I'm gonna tell you how I had this thing set up. Buggy and Truggy kind of really was the same. Okay, first let's talk about the bones, bro. I switched to the 38, and I did have to retune, but I think the retuning was because, hold on. Okay, I think the retuning was because it was so cold, and then I dropped the altitude because I had to retune both cars. It wasn't much though. It was pretty good, but I ran them a little bit rich because it was cold. Yeah. So, all right. So when I first went out there, man, I was all over the place. So I had to get myself together, and then what I did was I changed the shock fluid. I dropped down to a thinner shock fluid, and I went to the Bones 450, bled the shocks again with these M2C. See it? M2C, zero rebound joints. So they work really good. See these? They work good. The M2C. Alright. So anyway, bled them, adjusted, I put a little bit more camber in. I think I kept it at -4 degrees, front and rear. No, I'm sorry, no. I went -4 degrees up front and -3 in the back, and that was good. Yes, yeah, that's what I did, and that was good. Also, oops, I got this candle in the way. Okay. Also, I didn't touch my pillow balls. You know, I'm going down and out. Shocks, before I had them up a little bit, I dropped them down one spot. You see that? I dropped them down one spot. I kept the rears the same up top, all the way at the end. See it? And that was it, baby. That was golden. That was golden. I still stayed with 2 aluminum, 2 composite clutch shoes, and that was it. That was it. Hold on, people. Let me get my coffee. Sorry, this is like off the rip. Sorry about this, people, because this is all freehand. Still trying to set up the clean up and everything. All right, good. Now I can sit down and do this comfortably. Get coffee. All right. Anyway, so all right. So where was I at? Oh, so that's what I did. Oh, also with the ride height, my ride height, I went with 26 up front and 25 in the back. For the Truggy, I went 38 in the front. Yeah, 38 in the front and 36 in the back for the Truggy. With the Truggy, I stick with 550 shock fluid all around, and that was good. Same deal, 2 aluminum, 2 composite clutch shoes. As far as the clutch with solid bells, I was good. As far as camber, for the Truggy, I went with -4 degrees all around on the Truggy, and that worked out really good. That was perfect for me. If y'all want, I can give y'all some measurements as far as my screw positions if you're interested. Now granted, people, I'm gonna tell y'all, this is not a scientific way. I would not suggest that you follow this. You know what I mean? Like, I'm just telling you what my needles is at, and it might get you close, it might not, who knows, but it all depends on your altitude, the temperature where you're at, you know what I mean? But I'm gonna just tell you what mine is. So main needle, my main needle, you can see that was 0.61 millimeters for my main needle. That needle right there. All right. 0.56. See that? 0.56 for my mid-range needle. That one right there. Okay. 0.56. Now, my low speed needle. Give me a second. Let me get on it. There it is. I'm sorry. Okay, hold up. That's wrong. Alright. For my low speed needle, 1.56 millimeters for the low speed. Right in there. Okay. I know the light is a little bit terrible in here, but alright, people. So that's it. So people just getting ready to go down Florida. Just want to give y'all the post race report straight from the camper, chilling. Getting ready to put the foam on there. Let that air all out. Put the sheets on, people. We about to button everything down, and we out of here. You know what I mean? All right, people. So this your man Rajay 111, living life, boo boo. All right, I'll see y'all next one. Peace.